Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Beat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best upside down pineapple cake. It's moist, it's sweet, and it's absolutely delicious. So let's get it. An upside down pineapple cake is made out of two components, the topping and then the batter. For our pineapple topping, let's start by melting some butter and then melting in our brown sugar. Once the syrup starts to bubble, I'm going to transfer it to the base of our pan. On top of our brown sugar syrup, I'm going to add in our pineapple slices and evenly and decoratively place our cherries. So that's our topping, which I'm going to set aside for now to work on our batter. For our batter, I'm going to start with our flour. I'm using cake flour here, which is going to give our cake a nice crumb, but all-purpose flour works just as well. To this, I'm going to add in a little bit of baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Give our dry ingredients here a quick whisk so it's well incorporated. For our wet ingredients, I'm going to start by creaming some butter with our sugar. To this, I'm going to add in some eggs, some milk, or a split between some milk and some pineapple juice, a splash of vanilla, a little bit of sour cream. The sour cream is what's going to make our cake really moist. If you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make it at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes to make at home. Once the batter is well incorporated but still airy, I'm going to add this to our pan with our topping. Let it rest for about 10 minutes so the cake batter has a chance to settle, and into the oven it goes at 350 for about 40 minutes. Once it's out of the oven and has a chance to cool, this is going to be our real test. We're just going to flip this over. There we go. And there you have it, folks. Delicious upside down pineapple cake. Cheers.